Uses of salt in the kitchen. To remove the odor from your hands after cutting onions, chicken, or fish, just wash your hands with salt and water, then you will have no more smell. To avoid the feeling of the hotness of pepper on your hands after cutting it with your hands, rub them with salt and vegetable oil or red oil and wash them. When pepper mistakenly enter your eye, put a pinch of salt in your mouth. The hotness of the pepper will disappear and you will see the magic. When storing empty containers or bottle, throw in a pinch of salt to help them from getting stinky. Sprinkling some salt on your fresh peppers while pounding it helps to make it pound quickly. Soaking bitter leaves in salt and hot water helps to remove extra bitterness before cooking with it. If your liquid milk always spoils before you finish it, you can add pinch of salt when you first open it. It will help the milk to stay fresh longer. Salt and detergent mixture can help you to kill ants and cockroaches disturbing you in the kitchen. Placing your overripe tomatoes in a cold and salty water overnight will help to make them fresh and firm. If you cut lemon and you do not want to use it finish, sprinkle salt on it. It would stay fresh for 3 days. Make sure you rinse it before using it again. Salt can be used as a preservative method for preserving meat, fish, or vegetables. It helps to prevent bacteria growth. Grease fires or small fire can be put out with the use of salt. When boiling eggs, add a pinch of salt to keep the shells from cracking, and peeling the eggs will also be easy. If you don't want your spaghetti to gum together while cooking, add a drop of vegetable oil into a salty boiling water and it will come out separately. Soaking your rice with hot water and salt before cooking it will help to remove excess starch. You can use salt to parboil your rice in order to remove the starch from the rice quickly. Salt is used to sanitize your kitchen sponges. It is used to kill the bacteria, germs in them. Soak the sponge in a hot salty water. Salt improves the texture of the meat as it helps to break down the tough proteins, thus tenderizing the meat. When cutting vegetables, sprinkle little salt onto the chopping board. It will keep the vegetables from moving or flying around while cutting or chopping.
Just like a pinch of salt can elevate any dish, your support adds flavor to our journey. Thank you for watching.